prophet's mocker, oh the caricature. Do you know him ever? Not at all, you never. I am myself responsible, not prophet to accuse him. To you and this whole world, let me introduce him. If you were there, had you been then, in the age of him, he was here when. If about your mockery, he would have been told, he would not have mind, he would not have scorn. With his preaching smile, he would have prayed for you. His trademark forgiveness, he would have made for you. That is how he was. To all the then mockers, to all the then enemies, to all the caricatures, a prophet of compassion, a teacher of humanity, a mentor of tolerance, a preacher of mercy. And in return, like those, you would have said with a nod, you are a true messenger, a prophet of my